You'll give valuable disregard. So what did another person do?
It's not really important.
There's more than one thing.
Hi, I'm Reese Alvia. I'm from the Philippines. I wanted to study in a Japanese university. This is actually one of the first universities I've heard of because of the YouTube ads. And I took this opportunity because not many open days for Japanese universities are open to foreigners and have mock lectures in English. So this is just a great opportunity for me to see the campus and whether if this is the right fit for me. And so far, yeah.
My name's Joe, I'm from the UK, from England. I'm particularly interested in international relations and possibly given that you can choose a lot of different modules, something like economics and things, I think that seems to be where I'd be particularly interested. But going to the other lectures was really helpful as well, I think, just to get an idea of what it was like.
Especially from second days, I feel like, oh, I can talk with people very easily. During that tourism class, we basically interact and work together. And when we had same kind of answer, we were like, oh, okay, then we can get it.
I know everyone emphasizes, wow, this is such a diverse campus, so many people to meet. And not only is it great for making friends, but also in the business world, so many connections that you can make. In the future, I think, if someone sees that you're from APU, they can help you out and say, oh, I also went to that college. And that has real world connections in the business world.